What country you from?
What?
What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English in what?
What?
English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
Yeah.
So you understand the words I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
Well, what I'm saying is that there are known knowns and that there are known unknowns. But there's also unknown unknowns. Things we don't know that we don't know.
What?
Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more time.
Zimbi indaba uRamaphosa ePhalamende yazi indaba ngihlale phezu kodaba oluphezu kwasimende kwenze njani ithosa kanjani ibhifu ungazange uyibenge senoyibiza ngeking la singakaze simbeke esihlalweni sobukhosi usagcina ngokukhothama ushaya ngamabhomu kuphela simbiza uOsama hleze phambana neweather ziwinter kuye kuyisama skilla elevate shame kwala noma ezama angizodi umuntu mina nginyanya nonke nami ngiyayifaka esibalweni sinuka ikhwaphi isonto lonke well ukunuka kufani nginuka ispray neroll on wena unuka insizwa nsi ikhwapha lesikhondla khondla okhozini kwinamba kade ngikhonza ngise shut up to my mama ngifike ekhaya ungilinde ngomshisa ekakasini was having fun baba ngiflow alangwa thaphi oledi lathi uphinda urenga amasimba yenzeka lento ngishipha kunuke ngisanga ngene police station khipha itsango yami ngishuke ngene ePhalamende letapha ngifike ngimathuke last week ngene esontweni imdakini ibandla lathuka ngigila imhlola ngiza nesiphepha iTyphoon nanti ilumbuza nephepha ingani iTyphoon hlezi ingabe ngethishu ngidropa shit estikini lo mfethu bethu uyanya mara ubhekele nje stipini sayithi intoda ushe emlazi wena ungazelaphi bangivalela ngaphandle bezwe bethi ngiselaphi ngigulela izinja zakwata mayibona uExcela ngahamba ngashiya umuntu wami singasho ukuthi neExcela it's nice to be here kumnandi ukuba lapha ngenyange enjoy ispansayo kumnandi ukuba lapha ngiyabaqhumisa ngiyabachatha yazi ukuthina ngaloke ngichaza emakhini masa drop shit here's a tip bayohlanza nama slaves imumaster ngiyangqilaza nguNkulunkulu nezidalwa zami ngiyangikubaza ngiphethe entendeni yesandla ngiyashikeleza ngifana netop nina ngami hlezi nizovakaza phitha ngelove iyakhulela imlazi mifike esithawa bayazi bangibuza indlami yami ubezwa bebadope nje babanjwe idam lami mangithi check iscores kakashintsho 91 zokhuluma unumber 2 ubheka ngibenzela 1 phela ngincengelwe imajita singajwayelani niyabawuza bla bla mara laze side lam ngizolishiyela neaddress manifuna ukwazi ekhasi lami zwana gazi lami yabona emlazi nginenkinga indaba isemsamo ukapteni babhekene nenkinga bahlulwe isiphani nginesekela lakhona elithi ngispy ngiyasola ubhema upayi nakakhula ngabe ngisayi fucking ngiyadlala ngizoya ngadlala bona abangazi bafana nzonya angipheli moya emlazi ngizongithola khona sangayothukela ebed center sihlangane khona pay mind la kunendaba neprize anazi ngijabula kanjani mangabe udliwa umlazi inkinga ukudansa ngikwazi ngabe ngishaya kwasakwazi njalo mangabe lidliwa ngicelebrate khona imlazi.
Removing an evil nigga spirit from a Negro is as hard as removing the stank from a hunk of shit. We must use these tools that the great God has given us to fight niggas. A whip, a noose, a knife stick, a branding iron. These things strike fear into a nigga's heart. A job application. Avoid conversation with the nigga. The nigga will lie. The nigga will make excuses. He will use words he don't really know. If he gets really desperate, he may start to rap or dance.
Shawa 9-1. Shawa 9-1.
Mr. Vanguard.
Shawa 9-1.
Shawa
9-1.
Yeah.
Shawa 9-1.
Hey, now.
Shawa 9-1.
What you say?
Shawa 9-1.
Hey, what you say?
Shawa 9-1.
Yeah.
It's the nigga still in him.
As long as he's black and breathing, he's got nigga in him.